High-protein foods for weight loss. Peanut butter is full of protein and healthy fats. Peanut butter is low in carbs, and it can be a great source of protein and healthy fats. My favorite high-protein food for weight loss is peanut butter. Per a serving, which is typically 2 tablespoons, you'll get about 8 grams of protein. Start your day with some nutrient-dense eggs. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be eaten at any meal. Eggs are a great food for weight loss. They're full of vitamins and minerals, and 1 egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, with all of the essential amino acids. Incorporate salmon into your diet. Salmon also has omega-3 fatty acids. My absolute favorite foods for weight loss is salmon. Although salmon is a fatty fish, it's explained that eating the right kind of fat doesn't necessarily mean you're going to gain weight. The fish contains essential omega-3 fatty acids, which you have to get from your diet since the human body can't produce them. Black beans are a great plant-based protein for weight loss. Black beans can also help with constipation. My favorite plant-based protein for weight loss is the black bean.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.